Porcelain versus stainless steel sink. Which is better for your home? Dear friends, choosing the right kitchen sink can make a big difference in both functionality and style. Two of the most popular options are porcelain sinks and stainless steel sinks, each offering unique advantages for modern homes. Porcelain sinks are known for their classic and elegant appearance. They add a premium, timeless look to traditional and luxury kitchens. Porcelain is smooth, easy to clean, and resistant to heat. However, it can chip or crack if heavy utensils or cookware are dropped, and it may stain over time if not maintained properly. Stainless steel sinks, on the other hand, are highly durable and practical. They are lightweight, affordable, and resistant to rust and corrosion. These sinks are ideal for busy kitchens because they can handle heavy use without damage. The downside is that stainless steel may scratch and can be noisy unless sound insulation is added. When it comes to maintenance, stainless steel sinks require less care and are more forgiving. Porcelain sinks need gentle cleaning and careful handling to keep them looking new. So, which sink is better for your home? If you prefer elegance and a premium finish, porcelain is a great choice. If durability, budget, and low maintenance matter more, stainless steel is the smarter option. Choose based on your kitchen usage and design preference. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.